In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can choose profitable services and affiliate links that will get you a lot of money and earn a lot of commission and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in commission available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, I will also still get more commission in next few days. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So just go to this, so just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you need to do next, you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up. It will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, so now you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? Did you know that YouTube, let me show you, did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? 30 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number, okay? You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Millions of people every single day are searching on YouTube for specific services, products, and so much more. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. You should start using YouTube to promote your affiliate links. Okay, if you want to earn commission, there are people that make millions of dollars every single month just using free traffic from YouTube promoting affiliate links. Okay, it's really easy. It's just need consistency and hard work. So anyways, go to your YouTube homepage to choose a good services. Click on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to create, let's say, cartoon, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create cartoon animation video, how to create cartoon video, how to create animation video in mobile, how to create cartoon characters. Let's take this topic for example, how to create cartoon animation video. I will go to my Fiverr account, go back to Fiverr, click on the search for cartoon video. Okay, it's super easy. Those people who are searching for how to create a cartoon animation video, if millions of people are searching for how to create a cartoon video and just 10% of this number buy this service from your affiliate link, you can earn a lot of commission. Okay, so those people, of course, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service. Those people who are searching for how to create cartoon animation video, they will be interested to buy this service. A lot of, not even if just few people, YouTube has, because YouTube has a lot of traffic. If just few people buy this service, you can earn a lot of commission. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose good one. Okay, let's see this one. This one looking good, but let me see if we can find a good one. So scroll down and you can find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Like this one looking good. So okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. So just what you will do, just click on his service. Okay, click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, go back to this seller profile page that you copy his affiliate, his profile seller link. Click on his video. Okay, this video is looking good. Double click and click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it cartoon video. Okay, like this. After you finish, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video and it's for free. After you click on video, you will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, like this. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background like this. Okay, click on text, scroll down. You can find a lot of and you need to choose style of text that you want to use. So for me, I will use this text style. I will click on this text. Your text will be over here. I will delete this part. I will decrease the font size of this text and I will make it here. Double click and write this sentence. Check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, like this. Check link in my description and after you finish, click on elements and click over here on shape. Okay, and add this shape here to make this title looking good. Okay, and here you go. Check link in my description. Let's see. So people who are searching for how to create cartoon videos, they will see your video on YouTube. They will see this sentence, check link in my description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, copy this title, how to create cartoon animation video. Use this title exactly like it is. Okay, don't change or add anything. Just copy how to create cartoon animation video. Okay, and put this title in your YouTube title, in your description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, Fiverr Pro. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan and you have a new plan, just copy your affiliate link from here. It's the same. This one is even better, okay? This one is good because this new plan, let me explain. This Fiverr Pro new plan, you will keep getting commission from the same buyers if he keeps buying this service from your affiliate link, okay? You will keep getting commission. It's not like old plan you get commission one time from one person and you need new person to get again commission, okay? But with new plan you can get commission from the same person if he keeps buying in the future, okay? And you will also get 10% revenue share. This new plan is really good. You can check this new plan over here and you can get idea about this, okay? So anyway, copy your affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your description, upload your video. People who are searching for how to create cartoon video, they will find your video, for example, in YouTube search. They will see this, check link in description. They will check your description, they will find your affiliate link, and they will, if they click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page over here like this. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn commission. It's super easy. You don't need to invest any money. It's for free. Just use free traffic from YouTube. This is the best business that beginners can start with $0, okay? And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. If you don't know exactly how to add affiliate links in your YouTube description, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, check link in my YouTube description of this video, okay? I will leave a link of a video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can add your affiliate link to your YouTube description, okay? So see you in my next video.